Add this spice to your lemonade to treat depression better than Prozac. Is it true that turmeric is useful for treating depression? The World Health Organization considered depression to be one of the biggest evils of this century for several reasons. Nowadays, it can express itself in many different shapes and sizes that affects numerous amount of people. Doctors normally prescribe antidepressants such as fluoxetine to people who suffer from extreme depression. This pharmaceutical is widely used and can be great help in many cases, but it can also cause unwanted side effects. So you should always go over all of your options before deciding on a treatment for your symptom. One of the main causes of depression is a deficiency of certain neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Fortunately, there are some natural alternatives that can help you in these kind of situations. Your dopamine levels, for example, can be increased naturally through foods like black beans, coffee, dark chocolate, and even alcohol, such as wine, in moderation of course. Activities such as sex and regular exercise can also boost your dopamine levels. Another ally against depression is turmeric. A study has found that turmeric use can really help fight depression, having even better results of fluoxetine. If you are looking for a way to improve your mood while treating any other symptoms related to depression, try drinking lemonade with turmeric. Not only does this special lemonade not have any side effects, but it's also rich in antioxidants. Here how to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of purified water, 1 teaspoon powdered and grated turmeric, the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon, a little freshly cracked black pepper. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in a jar and stir well. It's recommended that you drink this lemonade every day up to 3 times a day. Depression is a serious disease, and if you are facing it or think you might be, please seek specialized help. Only a health professional can tell you what the best choice is for your specific situation.